Hello students, today we want to learn how to combine sine and cosine rule. Combining of sine and cosine rules. Now let's look at this example. In triangle ABC, side A is 6.7 centimeter, side C is 2.3 centimeter, and angle B is 46.6 degrees. Find side B, angle A, and angle C. So first of all, we'll try to draw the triangle. When you draw the triangle, this ABC, so we are told that our side A is 6.7 centimeter, our C is 2.3 centimeter. We are not given side B, then we are given angle B is 46.6. So if you are looking for this side B using the cosine rule, if to use the cosine rule, you can look at it whenever you are given two sides that are adjacent to each other with the angle inclusive. Note that it gives an idea that you need to use the cosine rule before you can solve it. Now look at this one. You are now given this. So to apply the cosine rule, we are looking for B. The square of this side B should be equal to the squares of these other two sides. Addition of the square of these other two sides minus 2 times the multiplication of this times cos of this angle B. So that means you now have a B square equals A square plus C square minus 2 times A times C cos B. So when you substitute, so our A is 6.7 square plus our C is 2.3 square minus 2 times A, which is 6.7, times C, which is 2.3, times cos 46.6. So now you now have our B square is equal to 6.7 square is 44.89 plus 2.3 square is 5.29 minus 2 times 6.7 times 2.3 is 30.82 times cos 46.6 will give us 0.8676871. So that means when you add this and this together to give 50.12 minus 30.82 times 0.6871 will give us 21.176422. So when you subtract these two, 50.18 minus 21.176422, it will give us 29.003878. So to get our B, since this is our B square, to get B, you are going to use this square to find the square root of this side. So when you find the square root, it's going to give you 5.3855249. So to one decimal place, so after count 1 year, the next number is more than 5. So add 1 to the one you are having here. So that means you will be having 5.4 centimeter. Now we have seen that we've been able to calculate the value for this B to be 5.4 centimeter. Now we are going to get the formula for sine rule. The formula for sine rule is A over sine A equals B over sine B equals C over sine C. So from the question, the value for our side A is 6.7 over the angle A. We don't know the value, so I write sine A equals the value for our side B. You don't use approximated value when you still want to continue with your workings. So since we have calculated our B to be 5.3855249, that's the exact value we have to write over sine 46.6. Our angle B is 46.6 is equal to the side C, which is 2.3. Side C is 2.3 over angle C, sine C. Now you realize that I want to first of all get my angle C. So you look for the one that is complete and the one of, so I'm looking for C. C is here and this other one is complete. So you now bring it together So that means 5.3855249 divided by sine 46.6 is equal to 2.3 over sine c. When you cross multiply, so you are going to have this. Then you divide both sides by the coefficient of sine c, which is 5.3855249. So when you divide both sides, so this side will leave this one will leave this side. The remaining was sine c. When you compute this using your computer, so your calculator, 2.3 times 0.7266 over 5.3855249. So when you compute this, you are going to have a sine c equals 0.3103. So to get c, you are going to look for the arc sine of 0.3103. The arc sine of 0.3103 will give us 18.08. Now, since we were given one of the angles and we've been able to calculate the second angle, we can now use sum of angles in a triangle to get the third angle. Angle A, we are looking for that, plus B is 46.6 plus the angle C that we've just finished looking for, 18.08, should be equal to 180. Angle A will now be equal to 46.6 plus 18.08 will give us 64.68 is equal to 180. If you bring this 64.68 to this other side, you are going to have 180 minus 64.68, which will give us 115.32 degrees. So when you do this to nearest whole number, so is this going to give us 115 degrees. Calculate the unknown side and angles in each of the following triangles below. So you are given this. So this is a triangle. This angle is 66 degrees. This side and this side is 4 centimeter and 5 centimeter. In triangle XYZ, this side is 300 meters, 200 meters, and this angle is 95 degrees. Number 3. In triangle PQR, angle R is 58.1 degrees, P is 10 meters, and Q is 8.5 meters. In triangle 4KLM, angle K is 126 degrees, L is 5.6 centimeter, and M is 5.5 centimeter. In triangle ABC, angle A is 140.15 degrees, B is equal to 45 meters, and C is 24 meters. So from the question, expect you to calculate the unknown side and angles in each of the triangles given. So you are told to look for the side that is not given and the value of the other two angles Please ensure you like, subscribe, and comment on this video. You can also reach me on my WhatsApp number, which is 08068309191. Thank you.